Hey guys, what's cracking like? 1 year tool review update for you guys on these hyper tough 3/8 shallow impact sockets. Alright, have I had any problem with them in 3 years? No. Do I have a problem now? Kind of. The material these are made out of are extremely soft, by the way, guys. See that 13 I'm showing you guys? That actually turns round. Am I able to get a warranty? I don't know how the warranty will work. 10 mil, kind of same. 12. Your 15. Part of the lettering, it held up pretty good in the 1 year. That one's backwards. So, can I recommend them for 13 bucks? Yeah, go get them. But word of advice, they're extremely soft. So you may have a problem with them. There you go. See how that's starting to round? Yeah, hyper tough. They're still usable. Just gotta be careful with that 13. I don't have a 13 with me. Guys. Open my drawer. But I do have, I believe, a 15 in here from my truck I'm working on. How so much slop is in that 15? So it's not by much. Right, yeah. So yeah, that works. Give me a minute. Alright, next tool. Power built zone, 8-piece. Haven't really used them that much since I bought them. Other than that, they work. I haven't broke one yet, so I use them when I need to. Let's see. Let's go into Ascension. This is a Titan. Starting to get a little bit of wear in it, but not by that much. Still pretty tight. So, yep, that's still doing good. Oh, by the way, guys. I do own them. Yeah, let's get back to what I was doing. Let's see. Titan Micro. Titan 11328. Only thing I'd say, this piece of garbage is all it is. It does not stay tight. Shouldn't be that loose. It won't tighten up, guys. It'll stay tight for about a minute, and then it loosens right up. So, that's garbage. My ratchet, A little bit more abuse on it. Still going strong. I think the brush is wearing out in it. So I did also pick up the 12-volt drill, brush drill. Really nice drill. Not fast, but it does what I need to do. I didn't think where else I had. The oil filter wrench from Walmart is good. I have no complaints. Picked up a new composite Duralast ratchet. Kind of like it, kind of don't. Head's too big on it. Picked up me Hart bit set. I like this a lot. This thing has saved me on my new truck that I'm getting in. I can get out. Yep, this is a little guy. I've had multiple little guys. I even got this one by Performance Pro Max, Menards brand. This little guy is a 1/4 inch drive, but then you gotta put adapter on it. Okay, by the time you get adapter on it, see the height difference? Yeah, I like that one. Gear Wrench had one too, but I kept on breaking it. So I got quite a few little guys. The gear wrench that I'm talking about, this one. Right there. This little guy that takes little fittings to put in. Yep. Let's see what else. Got me some S wrench or box N. Yeah, there you go. Offset box wrench. Used them a couple times. They actually do work when I need them to. That's all I can say about that. As far as the tools in here, they are doing pretty good. Letting you guys see my mess. This is what happens when you work outside your vehicle. That is a part for my truck. That was fun to figure out. Other than that, I don't have much to complain. These sockets are holding up pretty good. Not much wear. So a lot stronger than the black ones. I am missing a 10mm 1/4 inch. I know where it's at. I just got to go find it on that Chrysler van I was working on. 8mm. I used that pretty good. 15. I used some of these. I more use my black sockets than this kit. So yeah, this set's doing good. I like this. I'm holding something back for you guys. See, I think that's all the tools. Yeah, I believe that's all of them. Now, a new lineup to my, yeah. I don't know why this camera won't focus. There you go. Okay. You guys probably know what this one is, ain't it? Yep. My girlfriend got me this for late Christmas, late birthday present. Pretty nice. Probably got to charge the battery on it. Oh, and it's still doing good. Yep. So, that is further ado on this one. I'll go inside. We'll talk on the inside of what's going on there. There you go. Alright, catch you guys later. Hey guys, I want to do a little update on the kids. This is why I've been very inactive. We only got her now. We lost Monk Bunk about a month ago. We still got her, my Roxy. We ended up with another one when we still had Monkey, but she was going downhill. But she came in the picture when we were starting to lose Monkey. What happened to Monkey over the summer, late part of summer, she had a mild stroke, like she was frozen in her position, and we couldn't figure out what was going on. And then she had a stroke on us, and well, after that stroke she was never right again. She couldn't walk that good or anything. I'll post some videos of her trying to play, but we ended up had to put her down. But in the process of that, she came in the picture back in November because we were losing Monk. Yeah. So we end up with her. Not my cat, but she chose me. She came in one winter in November. It was cold, and she decided this was going to be home. Her owners are still here, but about a month ago, well, about 3 weeks ago, be 3 weeks Saturday, we ended up with something that she gave to us after we lost Monkey. Yeah. Want to show them? Want to show them, baby girl? My cub. You're a good mama. Yes, you are. Let's go show the world your kids. I lost Monkey, and we gained 3. There we go. That one right there is spoiled. She is spoiled. That one is my baby. He's spoiled. And that one back there sleeping is her mama's baby. Yeah. You're a good mama. So yeah, I haven't been really, what do you call it? Mindset was not there to do videos. Still kind of not there, but I'm trying, guys. But Mama gave me something I can look forward to now. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. I'll insert pictures of Monkey. Just Facebook.